Welcome to week 4. This week is probably going to seem a bit simpler than the weeks in the past, and hopefully you're able to move smoothly through the week just by looking at this Moodle page. One thing I do want to direct your attention to is our major assignment, analysis of 3 sources for the proposal. So you've not written your actual proposal yet. You've analyzed your audience so you know who you're speaking to and what kind of sources you need to be most influential for them. Now you get to go pick those sources. Before you do that, you need to watch this video. It's put together by our library, and this is part 2. It'll show you how our library works. If you don't watch it, our library can be extremely confusing. So do scroll down and watch these videos before you go to our Baker library to look for your sources. If you have any questions along the week, please don't hesitate to reach out. Again, you're just continuing to work on your proposal. So you'll do the quick start, the invention, and the thesis statement, and research. You'll need to scroll down to see the actual assignment of what you'll be writing next week. But this week we are still preparing. Have a great week.